this not long ago. As you can see, I haven't even taken it out of the packaging yet. I did a Primark haul on my Instagram. And now I'm going to clean all these dirty brushes that have been accumulating for a very long time. So I've wet the pad, that's what I'm going to call it, and I'm going to squirt 2 of this hand wash, and then I'm going to scrub the brushes. So you take your brush and you take your pad and you literally just swirl it around. Just swirl it, and the different kind of like textures and heights will actually help. So I've done this for a while, and once you feel comfortable in it, you just rinse it out. However, don't rinse or submerge it in water, because what will happen once this barrel bit where the brush is actually formed, that will soak, and then that will actually loosen the barrel, and your if you think there's fallout already, it will make it worse. So let me clean all this and let me get back to you. So once you've scrubbed them, all of them once or twice over, I've done them like once, you can still see there's some makeup products. So what I'm going to do, I need to rinse them out. So I'm going to use the same product, which is this, and I'm going to just run warm water underneath it and do circular motions to rinse everything out, and then I'm going to show you how it looks. So I've got my warm run tap, and then I've got this, I put this on my hand. Get your first brush and don't just do it again, circular motion till it rinses out all the product, all the soap. There's still some product in there. You can see all that soap still coming out. That all needs to vanish. But you can, the good thing is it's all white. There's no like foundation, no sort of colour emerging from it. So basically put it on a nice clean surface where it's like sort of pointing downwards, so it drains everything out. Give that a rinse and a clean, and then that can be used again. And you can see some of them have gone back to its original white tips and some of them have not. That's because I've neglected them for such a long time. But next step will be cleaning the handles.